So I will show you how to calibrate the device. You switch on the device from the
Calibration of device.
Calibration of the device. So when it is loading, you have to press this knob once and it will enter into this screen where you have to confirm for the first one where it is written device check. So confirm with the rotary knob here. So confirm and it will enter, it will show you like this. So the supply pressure we have given supply pressure, and the second one is the hose type. We have to choose what type of hose we are using. So we are choosing pediatric disposable. Confirm. So then it will measure for the test long. So hose type is okay. Then the second step, it goes to the knobs test. So where we are selecting the knobs one by one, and we have to choose tile volume 2000 right now, and we have to keep the tile volume to 100. And the next step is RR2 to lowest and the highest and to the 30. So we are setting up to the 30. Then pressure maximum to lowest and to the highest, and then it shows you 30, so you have to keep it 30. Then FiO2 already was 40, so we have to make it 100. So after finishing this, the third step is to confirm for the alarm volumes. So confirm, also confirm for the LED that it is blinking here, confirm, and you can hear the buzzer, confirm. So once this finished, the three steps, it will calibrate, the device will calibrate and will show you whether it is successfully finished or if there is any error in the device. So it will take a few seconds to complete. So this will make sure machine is working perfectly, and also the circuit there is no leakage in the circuit or misconnections or nothing like that. So if everything is okay from the machine side when you are connecting to the patient, so if there is any alarm, that is from the patient side, not from the machine. So you are going to do adjustments according to the patient. So this can be done once in a while to make sure the machine is working perfectly. Also for the connections that you are doing.
So I should not do it for every patient.
So every patient is not needed. So I mean, like maybe in the morning once you can do, or at least once in a while you can do it and keep it ready for the next patient.
Do it once in a while.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Still device check.
So as you can see, it is successfully finished. So that means everything is okay. Then you can confirm with the rotary knob, and you can go for the, you can switch off the device and keep it ready for the next patient. Or right now if you have a patient, you can exit with the alarm reset and it will start ventilating.
So after calibration, we have to press alarm reset and the machine will start ventilation.
Yeah.
If we will not use it, press on and off and it will be ready for the next patient.
Yes.
Thank you, Engineer Jagan.
Welcome.